Hello. Today we're going to figure out how to connect to a Postgres database using Python. This is something I haven't done in a while. In the background, I already have my Postgres server running. Right here, I'll just quickly log into the Postgres terminal and show you. So you can see I'm in, and I can, hit select now. I'm going to return the date. So it is connected to a live running Postgres server. I'm just spun that up in Docker. If you want to see that command right here, just running this Docker image, opening up the correct port. So now we'll go ahead and figure out what library to use and connect up. We're here straight in the documentation. This does look to be an adequate Python library to connect up to a Postgres database. We should just be able to import, connect, execute, select now, just make sure it's running. Okay. That was quick. Import that, and we'll just give it a shot, see if that's running. It is running. No errors yet. We'll just pull it all. This is probably going to error out because we need a password. No password supplied. So let's figure that part out. Let's take a wild guess here, see if this works. I didn't. Yeah, okay. Okay, so that connected. Cool. This is just sort of what I like to use as my, is the server running? Just do select now. Into our records. What are we getting back here? Okay, there you go. We're getting back the date time that we need. I don't like any of this. Need those. Okay, so there is a fetch one command. So we are able to receive one single record. Cool. I like to normally wrap my Postgres modules in my own custom class. And again, you're going to want to get rid of all this stuff. We don't want strings out here like this. Great. So let's go ahead and make class. Password. Now I'm wondering if we can pass in the actual arguments themselves instead of doing this connection string. Here. Cool, that does work. There. Now, we don't want to have to worry about opening up cursors and doing all this. This is a bit unnecessary. So we're just going to wrap the execute command and have it fetch all by default. Maybe we'll have one for all. Fuck. We're going to just make it all execute for now. So we will have it pass in the query string. Yeah, we could even have it as like a parameter in here if you want to fetch all or fetch one, but we'll just leave it like this for now. We do need to connect up to obviously that. Create our class, passing in our username, password, database name, and we're just going to execute our query. You can see how we're just abstracting away some of this cursor stuff, fetch all. These things are useful. They have their place, but for most cases, when you just want to run plain queries, we're not going to have so many results returned that we're going to leverage the full ability of this cursor. So we can just abstract it away into this simple thing. Let's see how this goes. There you go. We're getting that same result back. Now we're defaulting to fetch all. So we knew that we were only going to get one back. We can just kind of do that. It's a little gross. You can play with this how you like to suit your application, but for the most part, this is a nice, easy way to just abstract what these libraries will give you. And you can now pass this database around, right? You don't want to keep instantiating these. You just want to create this once and pass this around. So now let's try and pass in some arguments to this. Looks like there's variables. We'll go to the docs. Okay, it'll take in a tuple. Let's give that a shot. Just default this to an tuple. We'll make sure this still works. There you go. Now we'll alter query. Looks like they're doing the percent sign. We'll just see if that gets back to us. Argument. Okay, I'm getting some weird errors here. That execute command doesn't seem to be using the standard postgres arguments. Okay, I was getting an absolute goofball. I needed the comma right here. We'll make this a bit more deliberate. There you go. We're able to query our database. There you have it. I think I'm going to call it here. If you guys want me to get more into SQL, I'm more than happy to. Personally, that's what I'm most experienced with. That's it. Thanks for watching.